Dave Scrivens. Today I'd like to dive into a couple myths on the hydrogen kits. The old kits designed in or built in a backyard garage will never work properly with a complex engineered spec type of hardware or gear like an ice. It's impossible. You're breaking all kinds of engineering specs when you put that type of kit on a car. Not only that, when you put the air hose or drill a hole in the air intake box, which is one of the violations of engineering specs for the motor, is the PVC valve sits between the gas and the engine. So when the PCV valve goes open and close, open and close, open and close, the ECU cannot sync on the regulated flow or unregulated flow and wildly varying amount of hydrogen gas because of the PCV valve. When you apply hydrogen to the motor, all four cylinders must be able to sync independently. If one of them can't do it, then the ECU is going to notice, it's going to shut down the conversion, and you'll just be burning straight gas. So in regards to our kits, we hang right off the throttle body of the motor, bypassing the PVC valve so the conversion is proper. This is one myth about the old hydrogen kits versus ours. A lot of people say our kits are the same, they do not work. For this reason, our 7-piece kit versus a 200-piece kit works quite well. Myth number 1. Thanks a lot, Dave Scrivens. Have a good day. If you want to give me some feedback, I'd appreciate it. I'm just doing these videos for the new subscribers that have come to my channel to try and give you an edge, because right now I'm generating about 15,000 hits a day on my YouTube webpage. My kits are going to start selling. I have limited supply. Get your kit while you can. It's a tip from Dave. 30-day money-back guarantee. The U.S. honors the guarantee. I have no say in that. They give you back your money. I'm not holding your money. They are. So they will give it back to you. I have to honor the guarantee. Thanks a lot and have a great day.